Hello ladies, it's Diana. I want to do a video today for you about a little breathing technique that you can do when you're feeling kind of anxious, when your heart seems to be racing fast, maybe even when you get up in the middle of the night and you can't fall back asleep, right? And your brain is going woo, woo, woo. You're thinking and you can't stop. Okay, so this is something really simple. It's going to be a short video because we want each of these videos to be shorter so you can listen to them and implement them pretty much every day, right? This one is super easy, okay? It is about regulating your breath. So when you breathe in a nice, slow, regulated way, it helps to calm your nervous system down and also your heart rhythm. So it really helps to bring you into better balance, like decrease that stress, that rattle, right? But also I want you to think about connecting to your body as feeling your body. So we're going to be placing our hand on our heart, okay? So what I want you to do is when you're feeling this, sometimes it's good to take a few deep breaths, like inhale, exhale forcefully. That is to just like release that energy, right? Like just if you got that, oh my God, you just feel so out of control kind of, right? Inhale, release. And you want just to get rid of that energy that's right there that you're ready to suppress, right? And then the regulated breathing. It's an inhale through the nose, relaxing your belly, breathing into your diaphragm. The idea is to get your belly to kind of expand. Now this could be different because you're used to breathing higher up maybe in your chest, okay? So don't worry if you don't get it right away. So an inhale, letting your belly expand. I'm talking, so it's hard for me to do it. For a count of 4, like 1, 2, 3, 4, holding it at the top for 1 or 2, okay? 1 or 1, 2, and then exhaling through your mouth, but just like a count of 4, okay? So the inhale and the exhale, the same count. Now, if you find that's too fast for you, if you found it almost like I have to force, then you can change it up. You can go inhale for 4, exhale for longer if you want. That's totally fine, okay? So it's just inhale, and you're counting, you're not thinking. So when you are in your head and that anxiety and stress is there, you're all up here and you're thinking all these thoughts and it's just like round and round and round. So you want to bring your attention into your body. So I usually put one hand on my, should have a drink of water, on my belly, another hand on my heart, or one or the other, it doesn't matter. Because you want to bring your attention from your head up here into your body. So you want to feel your body. And then as you inhale, you focus on how your body feels. When you're inhaling, so sorry. How your body feels when you're inhaling, right? So and at first it might feel forced and you kind of almost get uptight. But what that is that's your body trying to regulate, to relax. It's like it wants to stay in this hyper stress state and you're trying to get it to relax. So it's feeling awkward, right? Your nervous system is going, no, I gotta go, I can't relax. So that is what could happen. So just work through that. Continue breathing through that, knowing that you will relax, okay? So like I said, if 4 inhale and 4 exhale seems too fast for you, change it, 5 or 6, okay? You can hold it at the top for 1 or 2 or longer as you go along. Do whatever feels right. But I want you to keep your attention on the focus of the inhale, how your body feels, the count. Exhale, how your body feels, the count. And as you're exhaling, really imagine your whole body just relaxing and letting go. So I kind of focus on, as I'm exhaling, I kind of focus on my shoulders relaxing down, but keeping straight because you want to be able to breathe and bring some good oxygen into your body instead of that, okay? So sitting up straight, and doing that breath over and over again. Now this, you can do it forever as long as you want, but all it takes is maybe not even 1 minute of doing that type of breath, and you will notice you will begin to relax. But like I said, remember at first you may almost get nervous or feel this weirdness because your body is adjusting to relaxing, okay? So try that. It's a fantastic way when you feel all of a sudden like, oh my God, oh my God. Now you don't have to, you could be in a supermarket, you don't have to be like this. You can just do it with your eyes open, even when you're walking a little bit, okay? Wherever you are, try it. It'll really help. But of course, the best way to do it is when you're seated, when it's in a quiet space and you're able to close your eyes, bring the focus inward on your body, okay? And also focus as you exhale, like almost like grounding, your energy going down, 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 down into the center of the earth. That is grounding, and that helps your neurological system to calm down. All right, I hope this tip helps. Let me know how it goes in any comments below. All right, much love to you, and I'll be doing another video for you. Bye-bye.